The current generation of Compass has been around for almost a decade, and by modern industry standards, that's way too long. But don't worry, big changes are here, and the next year's model is getting a complete redesign, bringing so many new things. The all-new 2026 Jeep Compass that's about to disrupt the auto market. Complete redesign with new platform. The 2026 Compass receives a fundamental update with its move to the STLA medium platform, replacing the previous small wide LWB architecture. This new platform, already used in several European models, marks its first application in an American-made vehicle. The platform change addresses several key areas where the current Compass needs improvement. While the outgoing Compass offers good off-road capability, its on-road refinement falls behind competitors like the RAV4 and CR-V. The STLA medium platform, which underpins models like the Peugeot 3008 and DS7, brings improved ride quality and handling characteristics to the Compass. The new platform enables a more sophisticated suspension setup that better absorbs road imperfections. The wheelbase has been extended, which contributes to improved stability at highway speeds and better handling dynamics. The revised suspension geometry reduces body roll during cornering while maintaining comfortable ride quality on various road surfaces. Despite the focus on improving on-road manners, Jeep has maintained the Compass's off-road capabilities. The Active Drive 4x4 system returns with automatic, on-demand all-wheel drive for everyday driving conditions. The Trailhawk variant will continue to offer the more capable Active Drive Low system, which includes a locking differential, low-range gearing, and the Select Terrain system with multiple traction modes. With these updates, the 2026 Compass offers a better balance of on-road comfort and off-road capability, addressing a key weakness of the previous generation while maintaining the brand's traditional strengths. This dual-purpose approach makes the Compass more versatile for buyers who want a vehicle that performs well in daily driving scenarios but can still handle weekend adventures on unpaved surfaces. The structural improvements from the new platform also contribute to better noise isolation, with enhanced sound deadening materials helping to create a quieter cabin environment. The more rigid chassis provides benefits in terms of handling precision and crash safety, with improved impact absorption capabilities that should result in better safety ratings. New exterior design. The 2026 Compass features a comprehensively updated exterior design that maintains Jeep's distinctive styling cues while modernizing the overall appearance. The front end retains the 7-slot grille that's characteristic of all Jeep models, but with the updated proportions and detailing. The headlights are narrower and use LED technology, drawing design inspiration from the Jeep Recon. The front bumper and hood have also been redesigned with more defined lines. The side profile shows significant changes from the current model. The new Compass adopts a more squared-off design with more prominent wheel arches and clearer character lines along the body. The greenhouse maintains good visibility while featuring a more upright design that emphasizes the vehicle's SUV proportions rather than the crossover styling of the previous generation. At the rear, new LED taillights integrate well with the vehicle's overall design language. These lights follow the contours of the new rear shoulders, adding visual width to the vehicle. The tailgate and rear bumper have been redesigned to match the more angular theme found throughout the rest of the exterior. The overall design approach gives the new Compass a more distinct appearance within the competitive compact SUV segment while strengthening its visual connection to other Jeep models. The changes address feedback that the previous model's styling was too conservative without abandoning the recognized Jeep design elements that customers expect. The exterior dimensions have been slightly adjusted with the new platform. While specific measurements haven't been released, the Compass appears to maintain a similar overall footprint with some increase in wheelbase, which benefits interior space without compromising maneuverability in an urban environment. This careful balance of size helps the Compass maintain its position between the subcompact and compact SUV segments. The new model also offers expanded exterior customization options with additional paint colors, including several two-tone options with contrasting roof treatments. The new wheel designs, ranging from 17 to 19 inches, complement the updated exterior styling. Trailhawk models continue to feature unique styling elements, including red tow hooks, specific front and rear fascias for improved approach and departure angles, and distinctive badging to highlight their enhanced off-road capabilities. Expanded powertrain options. The STLA medium platform enables the 2026 Compass to offer a wider range of powertrain options than ever before. The new model will be available with conventional gasoline, hybrid, and fully electric powertrains to suit different customers' preferences and needs. For conventional powertrain options, the Compass is expected to continue with a version of the 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, which currently produces 200 horsepower and 221 pound-feet of torque. The transmission is likely to be updated, as the current 8-speed automatic has received criticism for refinement issues and shift quality. The improved powertrain should provide good performance while maintaining the fuel efficiency expected in the subcompact SUV segment. The addition of hybrid technology represents a significant expansion of the Compass lineup. The European-developed e-hybrid system, which combines a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine with electric motors, will offer improved fuel efficiency and the ability to drive short distances on electric power alone. This system is particularly beneficial for urban driving conditions where stop-and-go traffic is common. The hybrid powertrain also delivers more immediate torque response compared to conventional engines. For the first time, the Compass will also be available as a fully electric vehicle. This variant will use a dual-motor setup, producing between 215 and 382 horsepower, depending on the specific configuration. Using a 400-volt electric architecture, the electric Compass is expected to offer a driving range of approximately 435 miles on a single charge. The system balances reasonable charging times with long-distance capability. This diverse powertrain lineup allows the Compass to address a wide range of customer needs, from those seeking conventional gasoline power to those wanting hybrid efficiency or fully electric operation. The variety of options helps the Compass compete effectively across different market segments and buyer preferences. Interior design and technology. The 2026 Compass interior builds upon the mid-cycle refresh the current model received a few years ago. The new design takes inspiration from larger Jeep models like the Grand Cherokee, featuring a more premium appearance with improved materials and a technology-focused layout. The dashboard incorporates integrated digital displays, including a digital instrument cluster and a large central touchscreen for the infotainment system. The design maintains a balance between digital controls and physical buttons for frequently used functions, enhancing usability while driving. Material quality has been improved with more soft-touch surfaces in key areas, available leather upholstery options, and better overall fit and finish compared to the previous generation. Interior space has been a limitation in the current Compass, which offers 27 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row and approximately 60 cubic feet with the seats folded. Figures that fall below the segment average. The new platform with its longer wheelbase addresses this shortcoming by providing more interior room for both passengers and cargo. While specific dimensions haven't been released, the increased space should make the Compass more competitive in the compact SUV segment. The technology systems have been thoroughly updated for the 2026 model. The new Compass features the latest version of Jeep's Uconnect infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability, over-the-air update capability, and various connected services. The driver assistance technology suite has been expanded to include more advanced features, potentially including adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go capability, lane centering assist, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, and surround view camera systems. Particular attention has been paid to ergonomics in the new interior design. The center console has been reconfigured with improved storage options, including dedicated spaces for smartphones with wireless charging capability. The steering wheel design has been updated with more intuitive control placement, and the gear selector has been redesigned for improved usability. Seat comfort has also been enhanced with better contouring and support for longer journeys. The rear seat area benefits from the extended wheelbase with improved legroom, while a slightly increased width provides better shoulder room for 3 passengers across the rear bench. The rear seats maintain their 60/40 split folding capability, but now offer more comfortable padding and improved recline adjustability. Rear seat passengers also benefit from available amenities like dedicated climate control vents, USB charging ports, and optional heated outboard seating positions in higher trim levels. Release date and price. The 2026 Jeep Compass is expected to arrive in U.S. dealerships next year. Production will begin at the Melfi assembly plant in Italy for European markets, with manufacturing later expanding to facilities in Brazil and Canada. However, with potential tariffs, Jeep may consider relocating North American production to a U.S. facility. While official pricing hasn't been announced, the base model is expected to start under $30,000, a little bit more than the current generation. Higher trim levels and electrified variants will naturally come with higher prices, but should remain competitive with similarly equipped vehicles in the segment. The diverse powertrain lineup could allow the Compass to appeal to a wide range of budget requirements, from the conventional gasoline models to the premium hybrid and electric variants. As you can see, the Compass is bringing massive improvements, but will that be enough to keep up with the competition? Check out this video about what really makes the 2026 Subaru Forester so special. You can see on the screen right now. It's one of Compass's key competitors, and it also brings big novelties for the next year, even though it's been redesigned recently. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.